Vinay, let me come to you and get your BTST idea for our viewers.
Yeah, so one of the stock which I like is the Torrent Power. So it was oversold and has witnessed a healthy correction, but now it looks like that it is headed higher and it is closing above its 50 days EMA. So the stock is placed around 1372. So I like it for the BTST. You can keep a stop loss at 1350. I am expecting that overall positionally, in the next 3-4 days, it can achieve a target of 1435. But yes, for BTST also you can expect 2-3% gain from this level. So yes, Torrent Power is a good bet for the BTST.
All right, so that is Torrent Power coming in for Vinay. What about you, Kunal?
So I'll go with a couple of buy calls. The first one is one BEL. That's a chart which is starting to look attractive, especially with a slight bit of underperformance in the last couple of days with respect to the other peers. So we'd look out for targets in the range of 300, stop us at 275. Bharat Forge is the other stock which I would believe is also nearing a very strong breakout. It's a consolidation breakout just about that 1100 mark for Bharat Forge. The stock is at closer to 1090 levels. So we'd look out for targets in the range of 1200, stop us at 1055.
Let's take a look at how we have wrapped up in today's trading session. And not only stellar gains, we are closing at the day's highest point on the benchmarks as well as the broader markets as well. Nifty up 1.5%. What a solid intraday coming in from this group of stocks today. 22,846, 850 thereabouts. Remember, at one point of the trading day, we had slipped below the 22,700 mark as well. But look at that recovery from the day's lowest point on an intraday basis. It's a 340 point uptick coming in on the Nifty 50. Sensex 2 in tandem with the Nifty, a 1.6% uptick coming in on the Sensex as well, looking very solid, above, firmly above the 75,000 mark for Sensex right now. Nifty Bank also the real outperformer in today's trade, a 2.1% uptick coming in. Very stellar performance coming in from both private as well as public banks. Advance decline ratio very much tilted towards the advances, in favor of the advances. India weeks also cooled off quite significantly in today's trading session, and looking good is the India weeks as well. Let's pull up the broader markets because Nifty mid cap and small cap indices, both of them at their day's highest point individually. A 2% uptick coming in on the mid cap index and almost a 3% uptick coming in on the Nifty small cap index today. All of these are almost at the day's highest point and looking rather good. Only 3 stocks that are ending in the red today from the Nifty pack: Bajaj Finserv, Bharti Airtel and Tech Mahindra. Of course, Bajaj Finserv, the stock of the day in focus on the back of that Allianz acquisition. But you have ICICI Bank, M&M, Shriram Finance, L&T, Tata Motors, all trading with gains of 3%. Tata Motors, of course, on the back of that news flow that they will be initiating price hikes for CV and PV segments of their vehicles from April of this year. Other than that, NBCC, Ircon, RITES, all on the back of order wins, Star Cement, AB Realty on the back of new launch, Areda on the back of fundraising, Vedanta on the back of the chairman's letter, HUL on the minimalist acquisition, the CCI nod, Paytm on the back of the Paytm Money getting a SEBI license for becoming a research firm, LIC on the plans of health insurance foray, and Varun Beverages on the back of a very solid City note coming in. All of these stocks have done very well in today's trade, but that's how we are wrapping up at the day's highest point. Absolutely no complaints from the trading day that we've seen today. A 1.5% uptick coming in on the Nifty, and that's how we are shutting shop for the day.